Come with me to go visit my parents in Dante's Inferno, better known as Nashville, in mid-July. I actually had a really good time, although it was so hot that we had to wear ice packs when we were outside. Nevertheless, I didn't let that stop me from exploring. I found this really cool, massive strawberry house in East Nashville. I got to catch up with one of my best friends, Rahaf, who is literally the best chef in the world. And then I got to see this amazing artist named Caroline Jones perform at the Opry in Nashville. I'd never been to that venue, but it's really historic. And then I got to go to this really cool area kind of outside of Nashville called Franklin. It was really green, very peaceful, beautiful. And then there's me disturbing the peace, making content in public. We did a lot of hiking, and then it was time to go home.